What's up, guys? So just want to introduce myself. My name is Dimitri. I'm gonna be trying to make a video series, YouTube series. I'm gonna try it out, see if I'll be able to do it. I'm gonna be restoring a 1960 Ford Thunderbird. I picked it up at a field, or some guy that gets them at some field where a bunch of them are rotting away, and sells them off. Picked this one up for 1,700 bucks. It hasn't been registered since 1989, so it's been a while. Hasn't ran, and it just sat rotting away. So we'll try to restore it. We'll try to clean it up, do the best that we can. I'm a beginner learning, so just want to take you guys along with me for the ride. So here's the Thunderbird. Like I said, it was a 1960. You can tell it's been sitting a while. I already pulled the engine. It's a hot mess. The wires are a hot mess. The engine was a hot mess. So there's a bunch of parts from the engine. There's the heads, valve covers, a bunch of rusty stuff. The spark plugs, unfortunately, were out of the engine when I picked it up. So the spark plug holes have been opened, which is why you'll see the engine got a bunch of crap inside of it. So we'll try and rebuild it, see how good we could do, if we'll be able to do it or not. It's seized up for now. Hopefully we'll be able to fix it. Unseize it, got some Mistral in there. Hopefully we'll be able to unseize it and get it spinning and running. If not, then try to get a different engine. Interior is in pretty good shape. Pretty okay for its year and for how long it's sat. There's the that's probably the worst of it, is the dash. They got just sun beat. All the glasses here. The seats are in really good shape. Here's the back seats. Obviously the carpet is pretty wrecked. Yeah, rust wise, pretty minimal. There's just the headliner, sun visors. Somebody did some custom stuff with the transmission. There's a shifting linkage, which is supposed to be on the steering wheel. Why it's not, I have no idea. Somebody tried making, I don't know, a hot rod. Well, we'll try and get that back on the steering wheel, change all that up. Gonna need a center console for it. The rest of it looks like it's all there. The door panels look okay. Just gotta get cleaned up. And then yeah, got a full set of these sweet guys. I have to get cleaned up and do banding between chrome or black. So current plan is to get it restored to as close to original as we can, but we'll see. Paint wise, I'm thinking red and black with the chrome bumpers, obviously, but a lot of the chrome I want to black out. So it's gonna be red, black, and chrome, which I think will look pretty cool. Body's pretty straight. These wheels are flat. Most of the body's straight. I'm gonna try and get it sandblasted. Yeah, there's the back glass, and it's 1960s. You can see the rear tail lights, the 3 of them. So yeah, overall, not bad. You can see the registration was at 89. Let's open up the trunk. There's those little side skirts. That final wheel. Still got one with classic jacks for it. Now this is probably the worst of the rust that I have found so far, which doesn't look too terrible. So yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. We'll dig into it. Well, there it is. It's the engine. Got it all torn apart. Yeah, it's pretty screwed up. Not too terrible. See all that crap inside of there. A little bit of rust on the walls. Sorry for the lighting. It's not bad overall, I guess. Some more crap on this side. Not terrible. I think it's rebuildable. I hope so, at least. I guess we'll find out. We'll continue tearing her apart. See what we got. It's a 352 Ford. Yep. That all was dirty. Look at that. Sweet. Anybody got any ideas of how to unseize an engine that had spark plugs out for who knows how long? I'd really like to know. No?
No. But just a kind of circle.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, and I see it. It's colorful.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, let me see. Really?
Really?
What's that inside of the liquid inside?
Liquid inside?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's antifreeze.
What?
That's antifreeze. Coolant.
What a coolant antifreeze do?
It cools the engine so the engine doesn't get hot.
It does more hose. Oh, another hole right here. Really the same?
Really? The same?
Yeah. Oh, what's some more holes?
Yeah.
Another hole right here. This type of wall. And that just type of wall. Hose. No way. Look. It's just type of plastic.
it's seized up. They're looking, I don't know if you can see in there or not. Some of them, like that one, it's got a good amount of rust in there. And that one does too.
Dad, you need
So does that one.
now? You need something now?
So yeah, what?
You need something now?
Not yet, thank you.
Well, this machine is called a busy grabber. It grabs out something for you.
Really?
Yeah. Let me show you how it does that.
Show me.
But this is how it does. It grabs it.
Whoa!
Yeah, and
Whoa!
it's strong.
Yeah, that's a very strong machine.
Yeah.
Oh no. Uh-oh.
But I'm gonna clean it.
Okay. But either way, I think that's my biggest issue. Is the rust.
Dad,
Oh.
but Dad.
Hold on, Nathan. Gotta get some more mystery oil, but for now, just spray everything.
Dad. Like, you also got feet?
Yeah.
You have to put a flea concealment there with the flea's legs.
Really?
Yeah, it does too. Does that smell good?
I don't know. Does it smell good?
No.
Nope.
It smells bad. A little bit bad.
Okay. Hopefully that did it.